Hey, Tyler here with Cashflow Guys. In this video, I want to talk to you about the fastest way, the absolute fastest way to find money or funding for real estate. Take the time to go to Google and search self-directed IRA administrator. That's self-directed IRA administrator in your area. Start with your zip code and then expand from there. If you put one in for your zip code, nothing comes up. Maybe search your city. For example, if you live in Chicago, first you type in your individual zip code, nothing comes up. Then search Chicago Metro. And from there, you will get some search results. In those search results, you will find what they call self-directed IRA administrators. What is a self-directed IRA? Basically, it is a retirement savings account whereby the owner of the account, that's where self-direction comes in. The owner of the account actually gets to direct what they invest their retirement funds in. Now, think about your real estate investor and you want to get some capital going. You want to be able to help people by helping them leverage what they have, their capital, into a real estate transaction. Let's say a rental house. You can provide them a long-term profitable scenario to allow their retirement plans to grow. And that all begins with reaching out and identifying IRA, self-directed IRA account holders in your area. Additionally, when you find that list of self-directed IRA administrators, go attend their training. Most of them put on training in their local markets, right? And they will teach you for free usually how to invest with IRAs and things like that. And of course, you are surrounded by people that have IRAs that have money to invest. During that time, during that mutual education, when you're learning, they're learning, that's a great time to strike up a conversation. And it goes around the concept of, so what are you investing in with your IRA? And a lot of times the answer is nothing. Well, take this opportunity to talk to them about opportunities that you may have. If you can talk to them about what you have working and you've taken the time to establish that know, like, and trust, maybe you can put something together that works. So here's a little bit of homework for you. I want you to, when this video is over with, after you hit the like and subscribe button, that way you will get notified of my content here on YouTube, and it helps me attract more people to my YouTube channel. Once that's done, the next thing I want you to do is go to Google. Go to google.com or Bing or whatever your favorite search engine is and type in self-directed IRA administrator in your market. Find them. Your homework is to go attend one of their trainings. Once that's complete, please leave a comment down below. Let me know that you did it and that you found value in this. And I can't wait to watch you grow your portfolio using self-directed IRA money. Have a great day, and thanks for joining me.